Okay, good afternoon class. So let's have the basic integration formulas. So notice that since the derivative of sine x with respect to x is equal to cosine x, we have the indefinite integral of cosine x with respect to x is equal to sine x plus c. So anong na observe nyo dyan? So what can you observe? So as you can see, the derivative of sine x is cosine x. And then the indefinite integral of cosine x is sine x. So it just proves that for every differentiation formula, there is a corresponding integration formula. So, gaya ng sinabi ko dun sa learning outcome sa isang video natin, that differentiation is the inverse of integration or vice versa. Sabi dito, by reversing any derivative formula, we get a corresponding integration formula. So dito sa differentiation derivative formula natin, the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So ni-reverse lang natin, kaya tayo nagkaroon ng isang integration formula. So binaliktad natin, the indefinite integral of cosine x with respect to x is sine x plus c. The following table contains a number of important formulas. So the following formulas are basic integration formulas. So notice that we do not yet have several familiar functions such as 1 over x, the natural logarithm of x, tangent x, cotangent x, and others. Okay, so ito yung mga derivative formulas natin for trigonometric function. So as you can see, the derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x. The derivative of tangent x is equal to secant square x. The derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tangent x. The derivative of cosine x is equal to negative sine x. And the derivative of cotangent x is equal to negative cosecant square x. And lastly, the derivative of cosecant x is equal to negative cosecant x cotangent x. So, we're going to apply all of this sa pag-evaluate and pag-integrate ng different functions. Okay, so ito naman yung mga basic integration formulas natin. So, itong nauna, we are already familiar with this kasi nagamit na natin sa isang video natin. So, you call this the power rule of integration. So, the indefinite integral of x raised to r with respect to x is equal to x raised to r plus 1 divided by r plus 1 plus c for r is not equal to 1. So, bakit hindi pwede na yung r natin maging negative 1? Because it will make the function undefined kasi negative 1 plus 1 is of course 0. And then we also have the indefinite integral of sine x with respect to x is equal to negative cosine x plus c. Huwag kakalimutan yung plus c. Next, the indefinite integral of cosine x with respect to x is equal to sine x plus c. The indefinite integral of secant square x with respect to x is equal to tangent x plus c. Cosecant, the indefinite integral of cosecant square x plus dx is equal to negative cotangent x plus c. The indefinite integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared with respect to x is equal to tangent raised to negative 1 x plus c. Next, indefinite integral of secant x tangent x with respect to x is equal to secant x plus c. The indefinite integral of cosecant x cotangent x with respect to x is equal to negative cosecant x plus c. The indefinite integral of e raised to x with respect to x is equal to ex plus c. The indefinite integral of e raised to negative x with respect to x is equal to negative e raised to negative x plus c. Next, The indefinite integral of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared with respect to x is equal to sine raised to negative 1x plus c. And lastly, the indefinite integral of 1 divided by absolute value of x times the square root of x squared minus 1 with respect to x is equal to second raised to negative 1x plus c. So all of these are your basic integration formulas, and we're going to use this in integrating. Okay, so at this point, we are simply reversing the most basic derivative rules we know. We will develop more sophisticated techniques later. For now, we need a general rule to allow us to combine our basic integration formulas. Okay? So, ang sabi nitong theorem 1.3, suppose that f of x, gamitin natin yung pen. Suppose that f of x and g of x have antiderivatives. So, then for any constants a and b, we have the indefinite integral of a, f of x plus b, g of x with respect to x is equal to a, the indefinite integral of f of x with respect to x plus b times the indefinite integral of g of x with respect to x. Okay, what does that mean? So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan na kapag yung function f of x at g of x ay may antiderivative at meron silang constants. Itong mga constants na to, yan yung mga numerical coefficients nila. So, ang gagawin lang natin, ilalabas natin yung constant outside the integral symbol. Ilalabas natin yung a. So, for example, dito, labas natin yung a, tapos i-integrate natin yung function na f of x. So, a times the indefinite integral of f of x with respect to x plus, again, ilabas ulit natin yung numerical coefficient or constant na b, multiply natin dun sa indefinite integral ng g of x with respect to dx. For you to better understand, let's have an example. Okay. So, example, an indefinite integral of a sum. So, evaluate the indefinite integral of 3 cosine x plus 4 x raised to 8 with respect to x. Okay, so as you can see, meron tayong mga constants dito or numerical coefficients. We have 3 for this function and we have 4 for the second function. So, ang gagamitin natin ay yung theorem 1.3, which says that the indefinite integral of a the indefinite ito yung theorem 1.3, the indefinite integral of a f of x plus b g of x is equal to the indefinite integral of is equal to a times indefinite integral of f of x dx plus b times the indefinite integral of g of x dx. Okay, so let's evaluate the indefinite integral of 3 cosine x plus 4x raised to 8 with respect to x. So, ang mga integration formula na kakailanganin natin ay the indefinite integral of cosine x dx, which is equal to sine x plus c, and the power rule. Okay. So, the indefinite integral of cosine x of 3 cosine x plus 4x raised to 8 dx is equal to, applying the theorem 1.3, so ilalabas natin yung numerical coefficient na 3. So, ilalabas natin yung 3. And then, the indefinite integral of cosine x dx plus, ilalabas natin yung 4. And then, integrate x raised to 8 with respect to x. Okay, so that will be equal to, so just copy there 3. And then, integrate this one. The indefinite integral of cosine x dx is, so ito yung formula natin, is sine x plus c. So, 3 sine x plus, applying the power rule for the second function, we have, copyin ulit natin yung 4 doon. And then, x raised to 8. So, of course, the exponent 8 times the coefficient. 8 times 1 is, okay, so, apply natin yung power rule of integration dito. So, x raised to 8. So, that will be x raised to 8 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 1. Kaya tayo merong x is x raised to 9 divided by 9. Of course, huwag kakalimutan yung plus c. Okay, so final answer 3 sine x plus 4 over 9 x raised to 9 plus c. Okay, so another example, indefinite integral of a difference. So let's evaluate the indefinite integral of the quantity 3 e raised to x minus 2 over 1 plus x squared with respect to x. So again, we can apply here theorem 1.3 kasi meron tayong constants dito or numerical coefficients 3, and dito sa pangalawa, we can write that as negative 2 times 1 over 1 plus x squared. So, ito yung mga integration formulas na kakailanganin natin. The indefinite integral of e raised to x with respect to x is equal to ex plus c. And then, indefinite integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared with respect to x is equal to tan raised to negative 1 x plus c. Solution, of course, applying theorem 1.3, lalabas natin ito, 3. Kaya siya nandito sa outside the integral sign. So, 3 times the indefinite integral of e raised to x dx minus, so minus din yan, minus 2. So, gaya nga ng sabi ko, ganyan yung pwede natin siyang isulat na ganyan para magamit natin itong formula na ito. So, negative 2 times the indefinite integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared with respect to x. So, ngayon, we have that's equal to 3. So, ang gamit itong formula na to, the indefinite integral of ex dx is equal to ex plus c. So, this one is ex. So, 3 times the indefinite integral of this one is ex. Minus 2. So, kopyahin mo lang yung 2. And then, the indefinite integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared is given by this formula. That's equal to tan raised to negative 1x plus c. Tan raised to negative 1x plus c. More examples of basic integration problems. Okay, so mga basic examples lang to. So, the indefinite integral of 5 raised to 5 with respect to x. So, kapag ganito yung problem na ini-integrate natin, yung integrand natin ay constant. So, ang gagawin lang natin ay kopyahin yung constant, i-multiply dun sa variable of integration, at mag-add ng constant. Okay? Again, so 5 there is the integrand. So kokopyahin lang natin yung integrand and then the variable of integration plus the constant. Again, the indefinite integral of 12 with respect to y is equal to, so yung integrand i-multiply dun sa variable of integration plus the constant of integration.